In this video, we will be breaking down one of the biggest questions in the rep game. Should you use CNFans or PandaBuy in 2025? If you're trying to buy reps from China, this video will help you quick. This video will help you pick the right agent. Let's get straight into it. Alright, both CNFans and PandaBuy are agent platforms. That means they help you buy these items from Chinese marketplace. You place the order through them. They get the item, then they send you quality check pictures, then they ship it to you. PandaBuy is super clean and beginner friendly. The website is smooth and they have an app then you can check out easily. But CNFans, it's a little more raw. It's not as flashy, but if you know what you're doing, it works just as well. When it comes to shipping, CNFans is usually cheaper. They let you remove boxes, consolidate packages, and pick a bunch of shipping lines. PandaBuy is still solid, but sometimes costs more, especially with bigger hauls. PandaBuy has live chat and English speaking support, which is a huge win for beginners. CNFans, you're mostly dealing with through their warehouse or WeChat support, which can be a little slower if you're not used to it. Another thing, CNFans often drop insane coupons like 100 Canadian dollars off plus percentage discounts if you time it right. You can save up a ton. PandaBuy has some deals, but nothing that crazy. So here's the deal. If you're a beginner or want a smooth, safe experience, go with PandaBuy. If you're more experienced and want to save money and don't mind some hustle, CNFans is a beast. Let me know down below in the comments which one you prefer.